I'm going to show you how to use GRAero's file transfer service. It's really simple and easy to use. Right now I'm at GRAero.com, and I can either click the file transfer service link off to the left or here in the middle. It brings you to the login page, and it also gives you information about the service, a brief overview of the instructions, and a little more information for developers as well. I'm going to log in, and that brings me to the page where I can upload a file. And once again, that's very easy. Click on Browse, and brings you to a page where you can select your file. So I'm just going to pick a file, and then it says upload and get link. And depending on how large your file is, will depend on how long it takes. This is a small file, so it goes pretty quick, and it will send an email to you letting you know that your file has been uploaded. And it includes the link here. Now if you look, this is it. This is the link to that file. Very short, very concise. And if you want, you can share that file with someone right here. Just type in that email address, hit send, and that will send the link to that email address. So from here you can upload another document, or you can go off to the side and see that there's an option to view files. You can view the files that you have uploaded. So the files are available for 3 days, and then they are removed. So this is not a document storage location. It's just a way to quickly share files with other computers or other people. You can resend the file here, or just get the code for that file. And then to download the file, I will quick log out. So you do not need to be logged in order to download the file. So I'm going to grab that link, and I am going to paste it into the browser. So the code afterwards is case sensitive. Just keep that in mind. But once you put that in, enter, and you can open the file, save the file, whatever you'd like. Download the file from there. And then you have to be logged in order to share a file, but you do not have to have a login to download a file that is shared with you. Alright, feel free to use this service. I hope it is a great benefit to you. And again, I believe it's easy to use. And if you need any software development or computer programming, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.